at the rock shop. And everybody is busy cutting star garnets. We've got Mercy. We've got Garrett. We've got Stu. We've got yours too, the Rock Dad. What are you working on, Garrett? Oh, obsidian. Hold that up to the light. Let everybody see that. Look at that. Mercy's working on one there that she thinks might star.
Really?
I don't know. Hopefully it will. Believe it or not, folks, this water was crystal clear when we started tonight. There's been a lot of rock cut tonight. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about this here real quick. So this is common opal. But it has yellow and orange in it, and it is fire. Now, I can't tell you where this came from. I can tell you that it was found in the local area, and I can tell you that I've seen stuff coming out that's even better. So hopefully we can do some cool videos. I'm going to turn this into something. I haven't decided what yet, but I think we're going to shave a piece down, maybe make a nice little necklace, and it's almost fire opal. And some of the stuff I've seen is almost fire opal. It is beautiful, beautiful opal. I've seen reds, I've seen orange, I've seen yellow, and some of it's really clear and gemmy. So, local area, you never know what you find unless you're digging. Some of you at home might be like, I dug that up in my backyard. Well, it forms in basalt, vesicular basalt, or vascular basalt. So, that's where it forms. All right. For those of you looking for good places to go, Clarkia, Idaho is a wonderful place to visit. They've got a great place there called the Huckleberry Mine. You might have seen it in one of my previous videos, and the Fossil Bowl. And they have garnets and fossils you can dig. In the mountains around there, you can find all sorts of other material. Just please check, make sure everything's kosher. Up on Marble Creek, there is a little bit of rose quartz if you're interested. We've got all sorts of other things out there to go find. Loon Lake's got some wonderful azurite, malachite, however it's said. And there's the red marble mine up near Chihuahua. There's serpentine up there, pyrite cube crystals, marble, and dolomite. Lots and lots of dolomite in that area. So lots of good rocks in the area to go find. Just got to get out there and find them. And of course, there's common opal. You watch Jared in Currently Rock Hounding. He's got some awesome videos. So if you're thinking about getting into rock hounding or just wanting to know where to go, pop on over to his station. Check him out. He's got fantastic stuff. So this is what I'm working on. And I think that bad boy is going to start. So I'm just kind of waiting to get on the wheels here after these guys. Go ahead. We're going to watch what Steve does here. So he's using the first wheel to kind of get his shape down a little more. It's pretty rough. A little hard on the garnets. And the second wheel kind of smooths it up, makes it nicer. Third wheel will polish it down, and then it's on to the polishing wheels where Garrett's working. At some point I'll do a little video on the Inland Saw. And we'll cut a little cabochon or a curve or something like that on the little bandsaw. It's a lot of fun. Now I rigged it up so it drains down and into this bucket here. The dirtiest little rock shot up on the internet, right? So Steve, want to take a trip to Boise?
It sounds like fun.
So there was an announcement the other day that somebody made a one-time life donation and opened up a fire opal mine where you can go down and dig fire opals down there.
Oh.
So I think next year we might have to put together a little trip and roll down to Boise and go dig some fire opal. I think that'd be a good time.
Absolutely.
Looks like there's some good camping, and I know that there's lots of agates in the area. Oh, we're about to be visited by the girl with the rock on her head. We have a sighting. Oh, no, she's gone. Wait, quiet, real quick. We might see her. Hold on. Ha ha! We saw her. All right. Well, guys, this is the Rock Dad signing out. Catch you later. There's a ray in it. A couple of them. This was just a piece out of the bag that I bought from Kenneth down at the Huckleberry Garnet Mine. This is his Casper stuff. And this was just kind of a big piece that was in there that wasn't quite round. It was kind of flattish, so I carved it like that. And so far it's coming out really nice. Got a few more things I want to do to that. Here's Huckleberry Garnet. It's got that beautiful huckleberry color to it. My sister's going to comment that my fingernails are dirty. That's what happens when you work with rock. So, this one here. It's got some ray to it as well. It's from out of the bag. There was a square piece in there. And it just said, you know, that needs to be appended. They still need a little more shine. Huckleberry Garnet. It's not food, Jasper. Husky thinks they're food. It's like, oh, those look like treats. This one's just straight up galaxy. It is full of stars. All that sparkle. Needs a little more shine too, but it is getting there. Well, that's just an example of a couple of things you can get at the Huckleberry. I'll put this video down in the bottom comment section. But yeah, pretty cool stuff.